Hello guys, welcome to the question 19 of our database management systems. So we have this continuous question from question 16 to now, and the question is: the marks of the term examinations of the Kollovila Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all students studying in his school in a computer system. The software was developed by a software development company called AI Software Logics. So the software should be able to store all students' term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of the students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software, and you work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. So in question 19, we have this question set like this. So in question 19, the first one is: 2 new students have been admitted to grade 11 of the school and their details are listed in the table below. And enter that information in the student table. So let's enter these details to our student table. So we have entered these details to our table like this. And the second question is: index number STU004, student's last name should be changed to Moses, and write the relevant SQL query. So now let's write this query to update the student detail. Now let's see the table data. So it was Tilakaratna before, and refresh. You can see this student ID last name has changed like this. And in the third question, it says Natasha Vimalastena, student's contact number should be changed to this number, and write the relevant SQL query. Refresh, and you can see the number has changed. In the fourth question, it says Natasha Vimalasena transferred schools before the first term examination. Therefore, remove the information about this student from the student table. So let's write this query. Table refresh, and the record is not there. In the fifth question, it says, find out the details of all the students in the school. And you can see all the details of this students are showed like this. And the sixth question says, find the marks of mathematics subject of all the students in the first term. So let's write the query. And execute this, and you will be able to see all the marks from first term of mathematics. In the seventh question, it says, find all the marks obtained by all the students in the first term in Sinhala language and literature subject. So let's see the query now for this scenario. So it asks on marks obtained by all the students in the first term from Sinhala language. And now let's execute this, and you will see the marks like this. In the eighth question, it says, Amandi Vijay Singh entered another school from this school before the first term examination due to receiving a scholarship. Therefore, remove the information on the student from the student table. So we just need to write a delete query to remove the student record. Execute the query. Let's see the student table. and you won't see this Amandi Vijay Singh in this table after this delete query. So that's all for this question 19. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.